afternoon. Have you ever seen a duckling grooming party after swimming? This is what it looks like. You can hear little tongues going to town. Look at them. They're getting so big. Okay, every night when the chickens bed down, the ducks come out and have a special swimming time. Here comes Bumblebee! Look at him go! Look at him go! He's so excited! He's so excited! Yay! He didn't fly, he usually flies. So excited!
He takes a dip and then...
Takes a dip and then it's usually mating time.
Then, okay, hit. He did his head once. Well, then.
And just like that, they're going to bed. We thought they were going to try and mate. They've been doing that every night, but I guess they're tired tonight. Oh my goodness! Yes!
Mal always eats first.
Mal always eats first. Oh, goodness. Look at Bumblebee. Look at Bumblebee. Alright, Quack Pack. Hope you sleep tight. No mating tonight. Maybe next time we'll get to see it. Levi said it's quite the spectacle. I've never seen a full-on mating with them, just a partial. Good night, guys. Have a great night. Bye.